Them are the money, man.
You sit down in there and say, CAPO, we want to movie. That's why some fat people can't go out now.
Get the pride of the street, man.
A crime.
I'm going to get on the like that sense. You don't know where you come from. From morning, wake up. You didn't outside from morning.
Pussy, me just want to be here. Where you want me to do?
How we have a pussy? What's up, AC gang? You don't know, say boy Capo there, and people don't already to the title, so know what going already. But let me give you guys a rundown on what really are going. So guys, this morning, me hear Abbi and her friend talk on the phone, and her friend tell her, say, hey, carry me already now, we're not gonna carry it. And her friend gonna carry one day in the next week. So from like guys from last month, Abbi said anytime carry open, she wanna be the first person to go there go watch movie. And me tell her, I said, no, that's not smart, cause you don't know that I cause a bag of crowd and I don't want to go in a crowd. So people, when me hear Abbi and her friend talk on the phone, I overhear them, because I'm gonna do something and I hear them talking because they talk so loud. So I say, no, I pretend like somebody knows to carry open and make Abbi think somebody knows. So I know that I make she curse me. So what I do, guys, I just run go to the kitchen because at the time that I eat some carlo and thing, you know. And I call her and then now, I know she mention it, oh, you tell me to carry open, I say, no, say, but I already know say open, I just never want to tell you. And the guys, we're not going to see a reaction. But before the video start, people, please subscribe and remember to like the video. Because I don't know, if you like the video will get perceived by more people and I saw the channel will help grow. So do me a favor and just smash the like button. The first thing I want to do, smash the like button. Yeah guys, follow up on Instagram down below. You know the thing already. Subscribe to Abbi and Capo JA people. Remember that. Also subscribe to Abbi's Madness and Capo's TV. Yeah. So guys, I don't know, say Team Capo wants in the comment section for that, guys. Team Capo in the comment section. You see it, AC gang. So here you know, check out the video right now. Abbi, you know work out. You know work out. You want my call on number? So come here now. You don't think of no way. You want to be foolish. You don't think of no way. You have to be foolish on them. Be foolish on them.
Johnny, tell me something. I never tell me.
What?
Move.
Follow them. And July 1st.
Yeah, but there's no way it was out. So
I'm going to take something from July 1st. Them are the money, man.
You sit down in there and say, CAPO, we want to movie. As you come on, I never mention it. But they talk about all the time going to catch coronavirus.
Just let me mention it because you know, but no, I will. My friend.
You know what I'm moving.
What do you mean, I mean? Why you want to carry on the first
I
day?
want to go to camp.
Why you don't want that?
I never miss it.
I mean, I'm going to say something on the first day. Box cell, man. Joe, you go?
Yes, and I'm going to.
But you not go on the first day, though.
She said, "Pa, she didn't want to go, but she did busy."
No, that's smart, it's smart.
We're going Tuesday. I'm going to the movies Tuesday. You coming?
Which Tuesday?
Next week.
Next
I'm
week.
home.
Yeah, but whenever you go so fast, because then me that you can't give me the corona the matter. You gotta eat that man, but you don't got care on the first day. The avalanche of people are go. So protect you enough and have more sense, you know.
If you start, you have sense, you fucking need that.
The idea is you want to care on. You don't come like that. You hear one dance and keep on you want to first dance.
Yeah, but I don't even like dance.
Example behind you, that would make sense get around. You can't go around place corona.
Look at you,
You have vaccine, man?
The fact of the matter is,
You get vaccinated now.
the fact of the matter is, you know, say the place open up and you never
I
tell.
need to protect you though.
You're not protect shit.
I do not protect you.
Look how much time you have in the head now, why you never protect the day?
That your life, corona will kill you. You don't think you're not good, you don't good. You have to have your own care plan. Don't say that you can't sense. You don't know where you come from. From morning, wake up. You didn't outside from morning.
Pussy, me just want to be here, where you want me do?
How we have a pussy? You can't live between the leg and talk to me
We
straight.
have fat one is there.
What may I try to tell you still?
Hold on. Yeah, girl. What happened to it? Wait. vice.
You're not going nowhere
Yeah,
Tuesday.
girl, no, I'm
You're not alone now.
I don't think I'm going to the most of the movie, the whole man, I tell me I'm going to earth. Retro.
You want to go that Tuesday? You need to carry me and go from my laptop. You want to go meet on the crowd?
Hey, Marsha,
You have to go take a vaccine before you go away.
I'm not taking no vaccine.
I say you can take, do a bit before you sick out.
Yeah, but I'm not taking, how would this?
Because vaccine is not take too easy.
I lie, she can't be here.
You know, come to you, you want to carry too fast.
Yeah, boy, I chat so much.
We have to carry do so fast.
No, that's club. No, I should move it.
You have to watch
Why am I?
coffee to your man.
Never the exercise for the
Yeah, you inside and eat the food. I look for you. Look at you. If you work out, I may stop doing so. Why? Yeah. We get money jogging.
Can't buy any will lift me up.
Why don't you show flip it? I mean, you see.
I mean, purposely do it.
She lie. You know you can't. You will be 190 or so. You can't money jogging. You work in the weight, man.
Which pretty girl is?
I'm gonna try.
What are you eating, Jumper?
I'm gonna try to get fit idea now.
Are you gonna get the dog in food?
Yeah, I'm gonna get dog food. I'm gonna come sleep on the table. Walk it
No,
up.
you should have put it back.
You should have taken that first place. You should have taken that first place. The dog should have this man. You know that?
You ship on mat?
You know if you're shitting on at all.
Yeah,
When
but
the mat
you
there,
don't-
I'm not shitting here.
Oh, you stupid. That's the purpose of the mat.
Me say, when the mat there, you know if shit on the mat, when the mat there, then wait until we carry outside.
No, sometimes no, you tell me
I wake up 5:30 this morning.
I
never ship.
man.
But if shit in the house,
You put ship on mat.
you know shitting at all.
Yeah, but that's the purpose of the mat for them piece pan and ship pan. Oh, yeah, go back to them chain pan and yacht first.
Abbi, when the mat there, the dog now want them shit to carry who go there do it outside.
But the mat is there, and this is shit on the mat. That's not what you do more teaching. So what is the issue? I don't get it.
You know shit at the house, that's the issue.
Them shit on the mat, you put all the shit, maybe put away all the shit, so that's why no shit on the mat. Thank God them shit on the mat. And that was supposed to celebrate, because them shit on the mat.
When shit at the house, it's still alright. So if we wait until the morning light,
Because me not talk to somebody, I can't take money.
yeah, she a dog, I protect a dog at all costs.
I'm son.
Yeah, protect him at all costs. Nasty, I'm gonna start taking you over when they come in and start to you yourself now. Yeah, you're gonna start realizing you're not punish me at all, okay? Because when the matter know what you're gonna do.
No.
You're not buying no more. Because you're not buying yourself. You have to have a dog shit in the house.
Yeah, but I'm here, I just have to run off of cost me. I can't tell
You
money.
not eating food?
I don't want no food now.
Eat the
Because I don't want a
callaloo.
callaloo.
Eat the callaloo a bit.
I'm not eating it.
You don't really have much nice so.
Germs, all I do is treat the people there with a lie of self. That's why I'm not like you.
You don't want to take off food, but you want to go out.
Last class, some fat people can't go out now.
Get the pride of the street, man.
A crime.
I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm not telling you, because you know, safe for good.
Yeah, but you tell me security is not
We
good.
can't even break like that. I'm put on right here, you know?
I put down my work hard.
I'm going to stuff.
We work on some.
You want them, man? You come to come people birthday.
We work on. Where is it? I want to last it.
Let that book.
Move,
Do something.
yeah, I'm
The bad line.
I watch. Who's up there? With your hair slim.
So guys, I'm sure the camera now.
So I'm feeling so that's the camera. Why you feeling like this? Why you make some shit? Oh, I'm gonna fix it.
You better appreciate some ink out for you.
Yeah, stop with me.
No, for real, appreciate it. Appreciate
Stop
it.
with me. Why you have with me, sir? What black cloud?
Appreciate
Yeah,
the ink out,
it's a bit too long.
Then I them, I tell you stop feeling birthday on camera. I tell you stop feeling birthday.
Yo, stop with me.
Your face I don't show now. Backside, man.
Why you have with me?
Oh, come on, that video if I come on. But I'm going to say you Jody conversation about the carb thing. Some near come talk to me about it. Some of us tell me I prank you. I tell you
Say I promise me
some
not
prank you, I
to
tell you
do
something I didn't know about it before. I had no idea carb was open.
Nah, people, look here.
You not sure, I'm not sure.
Nah, I
Nah,
said
show
when I
them.
saw you really put my camera.
It is not sure at all. No.
But it was showing. It did show me
That blur
that.
it
No.
out. That blur all your body then.
You can't blow a long titty, so what am I going to do after end attack?
It could have a nice average size city.
People talk to put the camera plan.
Camera the fire man, I'm not sure down here down below. You want to show it? Oh.
Look, I can't Capo video me on the camera.
Yeah, guys, so while I'm going to the room, people, I'm here sharing a friend talk on the phone. I'm going to show some tea, right? So let's go. I'm here a friend tell her to care about me. So I'm saying, right, Jack, I'm bad about it, you know.
Go class, yeah.
So I'm just run come on. Put on the camera and call her around, but I'm going to talk about it. So, guys, if you enjoy that video, then I promise you, I'm going to call this, but...
Yeah, can't be
People, so if you enjoyed that video there, guys, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. I must say, I was just over here sharing a friend attack. I must say, I go try and say, you know, tell her so anybody that actually knows I care about keep, although I never know about care because I not follow it up. But by right, I tell her say if it open, we not go until like a week run off because I don't see if it just running from places, so you understand. So people, please follow up on Instagram down below, subscribe to Abbi's Madness, don't forget that. Subscribe to CAPO TV, subscribe to Abbi and CAPO JA. So guys, until then, right now I'm going to eat some callaloo because Abbi says she don't want a callaloo. I don't know what I'm to her. You understand? So she don't want a callaloo. So I'm going to mash up my callaloo right now. You see me? Well, I'm fresh and just get the dip on the road. Until then, your boy CAPO is out!